Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making baked butter lemon pasta without cheese. And I know what you're thinking, pasta without cheese, but hear me out. I'm using nutritional yeast in place of cheese, and we're gonna bake this in the oven, and it's gonna give it a golden, toasty, cheesy flavor, but without the cheese. It's comforting, a little bit healthier, and totally delicious. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we're gonna cook our noodles. We're gonna need a pound of penne noodles. So while the noodles are cooking, go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then you can go ahead and get your veggies ready. We just need about 2 cups of spinach and 2 cups of broccoli florets. And if you want to trim the broccoli florets and then cut them into a little bit smaller pieces, that's kind of what I did here, just so that they're easy to eat. Now we're going to grab a small pot for our butter. So go ahead and add in 113 grams of salted butter into a small pot. And now this dish is basically dairy-free except for the butter. So if you guys want to make it completely vegan or dairy-free, you can go ahead and use vegan butter, or you can even use extra virgin olive oil. But if you know me, you know I love real butter even if I'm not having cheese. Now we're just going to add some spices into the butter. First I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now we're going to do half a teaspoon of onion powder. And half a teaspoon of dried thyme and parsley. Now we're going to put the butter over low to medium heat to melt, just to combine all the spices. And our noodles should be done around this time, so we're going to go ahead and strain the water off the noodles. Once the butter is melted, then we're going to need a baking dish. Then we're going to add the spinach, broccoli, and noodles into the baking dish. So now we're just going to pour the melted butter right on top of the pasta. Now we're going to add in our nutritional yeast. And now nutritional yeast is similar to Parmesan, so if you want more, just go ahead and add more. Now we're just going to fold this together to combine the nutritional yeast and the herb butter with all the noodles and veggies. And then of course we can't forget our lemons. So you can do 1 lemon or 2 depending on how lemony you like it, or depending on the size of your lemons. So we're going to zest the lemons and add the juice into the pasta and stir it up one last time. So now we're going to give this one last stir to combine the lemon zest and juice. So now we're just going to bake this until the veggies are cooked, and it's going to give the nutritional yeast just a little bit of a flavor boost. It's going to be so delicious. And now we have a delicious baked butter lemon pasta without cheese. And if you want to make this more of a protein-based meal, go ahead and add in your favorite ground beef, pork, or even ground chicken or turkey. And you can even serve this alongside fully cooked chicken sausages, which is what we do a lot of time for a quick and easy dinner. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy dinner recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.